So a hurricane has hit the boatyard, and I came back to check on the Catamaran and I guess put windows back in and fix what needs fixing. He's on the front deck holding down. Well, that night-core is there. I wonder about the stuff on the other side. Got a window. Oh. Yeah, that's one of the windows. That don't look good. Yeah, that came from there. Yeah, I'm still walking with the cane. And I'm not supposed to be messing with the boats until after Halloween, which is another month or 5 weeks. I'm on the boat. Hey, man.
I got some money for you. I got a fucking thing.
Hey.
We fucking blew this thing apart last night.
Yeah, no shit.
Yeah. Look at this purple. It wasn't even dark yet. Oh, fucking it's tore up, man. I couldn't believe it. How you feeling?
Well.
I wouldn't even go in there, man. It's the window fucking both. That window blew out, the front's fucking blowing in.
A doorknob. Oh, good, you saved the doorknob.
That thing got fucking blown open a couple times when it wasn't all the way latched. And I can't believe it's still on there. Here, let me open this up a little bit. I covered up the fucking little bit of food I had. Fucking.
Well, that's good, yeah. I mean, I'm really not supposed to be fucking with this shit still.
No, I'll tell you,
you know, if you could bail the fucking water back out of here.
Got it out. It just got fucking big old fucking puddles out yesterday too. Because I didn't want to be on top of each other for the last rain.
Yeah.